that's my old SnapOn toolbox. Mostly just stuff that maybe I don't use as much goes in there. So let's check it out. All right, guys, today we're gonna do a toolbox tour, all three of them. This is my main toolbox, my service truck. And up front, I got my pliers, my crimpers, flashlight, miscellaneous parts, wrenches, more wrenches, chargers, hammer, pry bar, chisel. Below, air gauges and chucks, brake adjusting tools, more pliers, and all kind of weird stuff. And down here, I got wiring kit, Allen sockets, bits, extractors, DOT tape, and this thing right here, which is pretty cool. It's like a 19-in-1 little thing from Kittville Midwest. You know, they just do. Pretty cool. Anyways, over here's brake cleaner, penetrating oil, Tobo towels, my electric impact drill, tap and die, drill bits, nut driver, charger, just random parts, some anti-seize back there. And everybody's favorite part, the sockets. And my Olsa Tools magnetic socket holders. These things is pretty cool. Check them out. What you know about that? Extensions, more extensions, drive shaft sockets, swivels, more swivels, 3/8 impact, 1/2 inch, and my 90-degree impact, which is amazing. 1/2 inch drive sockets, and all my big like transmission sockets and whatever else. Some more screwdrivers. These are my main screwdrivers, and my Olsa Tools screwdriver holder, magnetic. And on the very back here is just my tire tools. Old Bertha, tire hammer, tire bars, tire gun, and in the back, a whole bunch of trash. My chalks and my jacks, trash can tires, and my vise. Pretty cool how I got it set up, where you could just swivel it out, do whatever you're doing, put it back in, close her up, go to the house. All right, like I said, main toolbox, there's Patty. He wanted to be in my video. And this is my little, I guess, like service cart, roll around cart. I roll around in here. I got more socket. These are my Olsa Tools sockets. Olsa Tools extension, wobble extensions. They're very nice. All my stickers. I love stickers. Ratchets, picks. And over here, pliers, crescent wrench, some chisels. And this is just my wrenches. I think I got some screwdrivers right here. I just picked them up. Brake adjusting tools, pliers again. And then the famous junk drawer. Besides that, that's not junk. And I got some stubby wrenches from Tecton right there. This is my little service cart. Now let's go look at the main one over there. All right, so let's check it out. Some of these drawers don't have nothing in them, but my nut extractor wrenches, my thin wrenches, crow's foot, precision screwdrivers, drill bits for frames, miscellaneous wrenches, more wrenches, a whole bunch of random just throwed in here sockets besides my big 3/4 stuff, and torque wrench, and these Matco swivel sockets for drive shafts. Some more Olsa Tools stuff, and my golden ratchet because I like it. I got some ratchets in there, all my big wrenches, some old vintage tools, tap and die set, some books and a manual, and nothing. And on this side, I got some receipts. Can't show them because my old lady watches. Just some random tools, some random screwdrivers, Harbor Freight, some pliers, these VIM mini plier set right here. Some Jersey Discount Tools snips, cutters. Nothing, I don't think there's nothing in there. I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. And like a bushing driver kit and some special sockets and lug nut sockets, stuff like that. A whole bit driver set. And that's some welding stuff you leave in there. My toolbox liner. We're doing all this. Chargers. Our mini fridge. Nothing. An empty box. That's what we do. Tape. I don't even have a clue. A Dremel. I think that's it. Some boxes. But that's pretty much it. Pat says, hey, watch out now. That's my old SnapOn toolbox. Mostly just stuff that maybe I don't use as much goes in there. My truck's my main toolbox and my little service cart. So, thank y'all for watching. That's pretty much it. Call it a day.